As the great and the good assembled to honour cinematic storytelling at the Academy Awards extravaganza, little did they realise that the most improbable story of the day was lurking in their luxury goodie bags. Nominees in the categories of Best Director, Actor, Actress, Supporting Actor and Actress would each find a highly original package of chocolates nestling in their bags. The sweet delights were handcrafted by artisan chocolatier Fiona MacArthur, the proprietor of a small confectionery shop in the remote and windswept port of Campbelltown, Western Scotland. When organisers of the star-studded event invited MacArthur to contribute, she was convinced the request wasn't genuine.
The Oscars came about when I was approached by the company that puts together the gift bags, and they asked if I'd like to be involved. I couldn't believe it. I actually thought it was fake when they first contacted me, because I thought I'm such a small brand, I'm so new, but yeah, it's real.
MacArthur's chocolate treats are all vegan, devoid of allergens such as gluten and soya, and free from palm oil and alcohol, while the packaging eschews any form of plastic. The brand's known as Fetcher, which is an acronym for Free From, Ethical, Tasty, Chocolate, Handmade, Art, a message that resonated with the company responsible for the goodie bags. A keen film buff, who's incidentally performed as an extra in a number of movies herself, MacArthur resolved to cast her creations in a lead role. She dreamed up a choice of bonbons inspired by the Oscar-nominated movies.
So I've got a chocolate themed for Barbie, a chocolate themed for Oppenheimer, Killers of the Flower Moon, Poor Things, Holdovers and Maestro, and they're all tailored. Like Barbie is pink and Oppenheimer is like a bomb, so it has kind of yellows and oranges and it has popping candy in it, so they're kind of all themed to the movies themselves.
It seems Willy Wonka isn't the only chocolatier lucky enough to have starred at the Oscars.